In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your tracking pixel ID to Typeform. If you want to measure conversions, track form submissions, and better understand how people interact with your campaigns, connecting your pixel to Typeform is an important step. The setup is simple, but it helps to do it carefully so your tracking works properly from the start. To begin, copy your tracking pixel ID from your ad network. This could be from Meta, TikTok, or Google, depending on the platform you're using for ads and conversion tracking. Make sure you copy the ID exactly as it appears in your ad account, since even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working correctly. It's also a good idea to confirm that you're using the right pixel for the right campaign or business account before moving on. Once you've copied the pixel ID, go to Typeform and open the form you want to track. From there, navigate to the Connect tab. This is where Typeform lets you link your form with different tools and platforms. Inside that section, select the provider that matches your ad network. For example, if your pixel comes from Meta, choose Meta. If you're working with TikTok or Google, select the corresponding option there instead. Choosing the correct provider is important because each integration is designed to send event data to a specific platform. After that, locate the setup field for the pixel and paste in the pixel ID you copied earlier. Take a moment to double check the value before continuing. If the ID is incomplete or pasted with extra spaces by mistake, your events may not register as expected. Next, choose the event triggers you want Typeform to send. A common example is submit form, which is often the main event people want to track because it records when someone completes the form. Depending on your setup, you may see other trigger options as well. Select the ones that match your tracking goals, but keep your setup intentional so your reporting stays clean and useful. When everything looks correct, click Save. That final step applies the connection and stores your tracking settings in Typeform. After saving, it's a smart idea to test the form yourself so you can verify that events are being sent to your ad platform correctly. That way, you can catch any setup issues early before sending traffic to the form. And that's it. Once your pixel ID is connected and your event triggers are saved, your Typeform will be better prepared to support conversion tracking and campaign optimization.